The WIN Consortium was created to bring together diverse stakeholders, everybody from pharmaceutical industry to academia to patient advocacy, and bring them all together in order to increase the survival of patients with cancer. The WIN Consortium has had several key successes. In addition to effectively bringing together many stakeholders at the yearly meeting, which has really been outstanding with really a very prominent group of speakers, the WIN has completed its first international precision medicine trial. And that trial incorporated both genomics and, for the first time, RNA, which is transcriptomics, to show the importance of a broader range of molecular profiling in a precision medicine trial. The theme for this year's WIN Symposium is really an emphasis on global implementation of precision medicine, bringing together experts from major centers in different countries and talking about breakthrough technologies, but through the lens of an international lens. Well, our keynote speaker, or one of our keynote speakers, will be Jennifer Doudna, who is one of the co-creators of the new CRISPR technology, which essentially revolutionizes not just precision medicine, but all of medicine, and is an example of cutting-edge technology that really changes everything. But in addition, we have major speakers from different countries. We have Dr. Sada Akita from Japan. We have Dr. Pramesh from the Tata Institute in India, Dr. Hu from Fudan University in China, and so forth. Again, exemplifying how we want to bring together the best experts from many countries. The target audience is really quite broad. It's anything from physicians to researchers to people involved in the pharmaceutical industry, people involved in diagnostics, patient advocates, really anybody who has a stake in seeing an improvement in survival in cancer. There are many challenges for global deployment of precision oncology. First are the basic challenges of understanding the underlying molecular changes that drive cancer. But beyond that, there are other implementation challenges, probably one of the most important being access to drugs, because no matter how well you understand cancer, if one doesn't have access to drugs that are appropriate for that tumor, one can't proceed. Innovation can help building precision medicine in many ways. First of all, if we understand the underlying biology of cancer, we don't have to spend a lot of money on drugs that are ineffective. The whole goal is to pinpoint which drugs, and not just single drugs, but which combinations of drugs are going to be most effective. And therefore, this not only gives us a chance to increase survival, but to save money by no longer giving ineffective therapies to many patients. WIN has specific visions in order to impact survival. First and foremost is that there's an understanding that cancers are complicated, and the current model of single drugs to try to make a big impact on survival isn't enough. So WIN's goal is to put together combinations of therapy, in particular customized combinations. The second part of that is that there's been a big concentration on genomics, which is DNA typing of patients. And DNA is very important, but it's not enough. So WIN has gone to the next step, which is understanding expression at the RNA level. And we already know that that adds significantly to our understanding of cancer and our ability to impact it. WIN is moving ahead at a rapid rate to bring the most cutting-edge technologies to an international consortium of patients and experts. And I think it will continue to do that. We've already launched the SPRING trial, which is one of the first triple 3-drug combinations using immunotherapy and targeted therapy, and looking at both DNA and RNA in lung cancer. And we have big plans to launch a whole series of SPRING trials in order to impact probably one of the worst diseases, and that is lung cancer.